Hello all. Today I will be explaining how to create and launch a React Native application in a mobile phone. So first install Node.js and npm. If you don't have it in your system, check the versions using the command node --version and npm --version. If it is already installed, you will be able to see the versions. Okay, next we need to install expo-cli. For that, type sudo npm install -g expo-cli. So it will be installed. You are now ready to create a new project. For that, type expo space init space new project. New project is the name of the project that we are going to create. Change directory to the folder new project. For that, type the command cd new project. After that, type npm space start to launch the application. You will be able to see a QR code. If you are scanning this QR code using a phone application called Expo, you will be able to see the particular launched application in your phone. Take Play Store in your phone and then type Expo and press enter. You will be able to see the app. Install the app. Open the app. You will be able to get the screen to scan QR code. Click on scan QR code. Make sure that phone and system are connected to same LAN. If it is so, you will be able to scan the QR code properly and then launch the app. Then after some time, the application that we have created just now will be launched in your phone. We haven't made any modifications to the default app created. So this text which is mentioned in the app.js file will be displayed on the screen. So if you are going to change the text, we will be able to provide the information that we want to display in the application. So go to the folder and open app.js and then change the text to hi, welcome to Robotic Tips. Save the file. So when we change the text in the app.js file, correspondingly after saving, it will be reflected in the application that we have launched in our phone. Changing the text again to please like, share and subscribe, and then save. It will be reflected in the application. Also change the background color to yellow. This is the code for yellow. When we save, corresponding change will be reflected in the app. So background color changed to yellow and the text also changed. Okay, try changing the text to a header format. Try out many things and please like, share and subscribe for more videos.